Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Haru and Tanu. In this video, we are going to see a very simple flaxseed hair pack. First, let's prepare the flaxseed gel. To an iron kadai or a saucepan, let's add 1 cup of water. To this, we are adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Let's switch on the flame. Allow the water to boil and then cook the flax seeds for 5 minutes on low flame. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium and copper, and also it's very good for your hair growth. Flaxseed gel is almost ready. Let's switch off the flame and then strain the flaxseed gel. Let's strain off the flaxseed gel before it cools down completely. You can store the flaxseed gel in an airtight container in refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. The flaxseed gel is neither too thick nor too runny. You can see the consistency here. To make this very simple flaxseed hair pack, let's add 1 banana to a mixer. Let's add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel and make a fine paste without adding water. I just love banana hair packs. I feel that makes my hair silky and smooth. Here, our very simple hair pack is ready. Let's transfer this into a bowl. You can prepare flaxseed gel the same way I did now and then store it in an airtight container and try different types of hair packs and face packs. Apply this hair pack on the scalp and hair. Rinse off after 20 minutes. You can apply a mild shampoo if needed. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.